This is an overweight cat. One notices that there are different kinds of adipose, which actually have different risks associated with them when considering heart disease. So there is subcutaneous fat, which can be found throughout the body. Of the subcutaneous fat present in the hypodermis, that over the abdomen has a greater risk associated with it for heart disease than in other areas. But worse still is a different kind of adipose known as visceral fat. If one were to open the visceral body cavity, the peritoneal cavity where the digestive organs are located, one would notice a number of membranes. So there's something known as the greater omentum, a membrane coming off of the greater curvature of the stomach. So here's the stomach, here's the greater curvature of the stomach. Now, a little bit of adipose is normal here, but this is far outside the normal. So the greater omentum, sometimes known as the fatty apron, is a place where adipose can accumulate. So you see all of that adipose. Here in this membrane, known as the mesentery, note that adipose is also accumulating. Here, attaching the large intestine, is a membrane known as the mesocolon. Notice the adipose around there. There is normally a fat capsule which helps to support the kidney and hold it in place, but this adipose is far in excess of what is typically located there. The same is true around the bladder. And so here you can see visceral fat, adipose which is accumulating in the peritoneal cavity. Now, different fat can secrete different hormones. So for example, visceral fat is associated with the hormone visfatin. So adipose can release different hormones depending on where it is in the body. And thus, adipose in this region has a far worse effect on heart disease risk than adipose elsewhere.